Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install PyAudio in Python on Mac. First, let me show you which version of Python is installed on my Mac. The command to find out Python version installed on your Mac is python 3 space hyphen hyphen version. The moment you hit enter, it gives you the version of Python installed on your Mac. For me, it's 3.13.5, which also happens to be one of the latest versions of Python available at the time of recording this video. Now let's do the installation of the PyAudio library. The first thing that we are going to do is to create a Python project folder. I'm going to create that folder on my desktop. So let's go to my desktop using the cd command. And you may choose to create this folder wherever you want. Now, I am in my desktop. So over here, using the mkdir command, I am going to create a Python project folder, which I am going to name as PyAudio underscore install. Let me hit enter. And you can see a folder in the name of PyAudio underscore install is created on my desktop. Now we are going to go inside this folder PyAudio underscore install by again using the cd command. Here we are going to create a virtual environment. Why virtual environment? Because installing Python modules in a virtual environment keeps your project dependencies isolated so they don't mess with other projects or system packages. And the command to create a Python virtual environment is python 3 -m vnv and the name of the virtual environment. So I'm going to name our virtual environment as PyAudio underscore vnv. Let's hit enter. Now, if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. There you go. No error. Now we are going to make this virtual environment active, and the command to do that is source space PyAudio underscore vnv /bin/activate. Let's hit enter. And you can see PyAudio underscore vnv has become active. Now we are going to install the PyAudio library. And the command to install the PyAudio library is pip install PyAudio. Let's hit enter. And it ended in a flash. It might take a little bit of time for you, but for me it was installed in a flash. But let's test whether we installed it successfully or not. You can see the version of PyAudio installed is 0.2.14. Now we are going to start a Python prompt using the command python 3. If we hit enter, that's going to start a Python prompt like this. Over here, we are going to first import PyAudio. Now, if this import statement runs successfully, that means PyAudio is successfully installed. There you go. Let's print its version as well and check if it matches with the version of the one that we just installed. So we are going to write print and within brackets we'll write PyAudio dot double underscore version double underscore. Let's hit enter and there you go. It says 0.2.14 and it matches with the version of the PyAudio library that we just installed. The final thing that we are going to do is deactivate the virtual environment because that's the standard practice. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the PyAudio library in Python on Mac from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.